Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Grand California 600. This two-berth camper comes with a 2-litre diesel engine producing 177 PS. Power is delivered through a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission down to the front wheels. This example comes in a two-tone colour combination of Reflex silver over Indium grey. The vehicle features front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Taking a look down below, the vehicle sits on a set of 17-inch Lismore alloy wheels coming in a multi-spoke design. Up on the driver's side of the vehicle we'll find a roll-out awning, and towards the rear we'll have a high-mounted rear-view reversing camera. The vehicle also features a set of rear parking sensors, allowing you to park and manoeuvre those tight car parks with confidence. Opening up the two doors and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, there's some cupboards on either side, allowing you to store various items such as your gas bottles and other camping necessities. In each of the doors you'll find a brand new Volkswagen camping chair, along with a table on the left-hand side. Taking a look inside the vehicle, right at the back we'll find some airline-style cabinets. These allow you to store a variety of different items, and the two-berth sleeping area can be found towards the rear. Inside the bathroom we'll find a variety of shelves as well as a mirror that flips two ways, along with a sink with a foldable tap. The tap doubles as a shower head, and there's also a cassette toilet. In the kitchen area we'll find a sink with a foldable tap, a twin hob burner, as well as a fridge with a freezer compartment. Along with this, there's plenty of drawers to store those kitchen items. The two front seats can swivel around, providing a more camping feel with plenty of headspace. When in driving mode, there are two seats towards the rear, along with two front seats that come with two armrests each. All the seats in the vehicle come finished in a lovely palladium grey upholstery, and in the centre of the dash we'll find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system comes with inbuilt navigation, allows you to connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, or even connect to any of your favourite DAB radio stations. Beneath the touchscreen we'll find some climate controls. Included is climatic air conditioning, and for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel with a heated option. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Grand California 600. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.